Hi, I'm Al from St. Petersburg, and I came to Boland, Mannari, Aguirre for a full arch. I was very impressed with the staff at this practice. They were professional. My doctor has a wonderful chairside manner and puts you at ease right away. He's stayed in touch and has been very attentive. I'm very pleased with the procedure and the recovery. I feel much more confident with my new arch. It's important for me to have a healthy smile. It makes me feel better and more confident. I would definitely recommend Boland, Mannari, and Aguirre to anyone that's looking for oral surgeries. They were just fantastic.